Okay, beta. Actually, animal diversity one. In last topic, we are not completed the topic, that is nothing but Echinodermata and the remaining mollusca. But now what happened, beta? Is given long question from NCERT syllabus in animal diversity one about earthworm. Okay, here two long questions are there. How many long questions are there, ma? Two long questions are there. Digestive system of Perithema and Perithema, Postuma reproductive system. So for diagrams, okay, you have a diagrams. These diagrams are very important. Diagrams, reproductive system, only for diagram is given 8 marks. Only for diagrams is given 8 marks. But digestive system, okay, digestive system, 4 marks diagram, 4 marks matter. 4 marks diagram, 4 marks matter. Now, digestive system. For that one, digestive system. So, in digestive system, what happened? You please observe. From these two, in annual examination, one question is coming. Better it is only 15 to 20 minutes class. But you have 8 marks, very important topic, very easy topic also. Okay, so the alimentary canal of the Perithema. Beta, Perithema digestive system means it start with the mouth and end with anus. It is a straight tube. It is a straight long tube which is runs from first segment to last segment of Perithema postuma. Is nothing but earthworm. Earthworm, how many segments they have, beta? Earthworm is having nearby 120 segments. Okay, so first 15 segments are the having part. From 5th onwards, last segment, that is nothing but their intestine. Now, first segment. Okay, in the first segment, what is present, beta? Before the first segment, mouth is present. That mouth is opens into buccal cavity. Where it is opens, beta? Buccal cavity. Mouth is opens into buccal cavity, which is present in 1 to 3rd segment. So, segments are very important. You have to write segments number, beta. Okay, 1, 2, 3 segments. We have a buccal cavity. That buccal cavity is opens into muscular pharynx, which is present in 4th segment. That is opens into muscular cavity, that is called pharynx, muscular pharynx, which is present in 4th segment. Okay, ma? This pharynx is opens into narrow tube, that is called oesophagus, which is present in 5, 6, 7th segment. 5th, 6th, 7th segment, we have a pharynx. Okay, oesophagus, which is continues the muscular gizzard, which is help decaying leaves grading. That's why this gizzard is known as grinding mill. What is called, beta? Grinding mill. Once again, first one is mouth. Mouth is opens into buccal cavity, which is present into 1, 2, 3 segments. 1, 2, 3 segments. After that, that is opens into muscular structure, that is called pharynx. Pharynx is opens into narrow muscular tube, that is called delicate tube, which is present 5, 6, 7 segments. That is known as oesophagus. What is called, ma? Oesophagus. That oesophagus is opens into 8th, 9th segment. Actually 8th segment, that is gizzard, which is grind the decaying material. Beta, you know very well, earthworm, it takes the decaying leaves or soil, which is mixed with the humus. Okay, so that is what it's called, gizzard. That's why gizzard is known as grinding mill. This gizzard now opens into stomach, which is present into 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 segments. Stomach extends from the segments 9 to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to 14 segment. What is present, beta? Stomach is present. That stomach is having stomach is having calciferous glands. What they have, beta? Calciferous glands, which is helpful in the digestion of moist in the humus. What is present, beta? Humic acid is present. That is neutralized. The neutralized of the humanic acid present in the humus in the soil, that is done is stomach. What is it, beta? Stomach. Now that stomach is opens into small intestine. What is there, beta? This small intestine, which is start from 15th segments to last. Beta, you don't worry about that. I have given already their segments names. You just draw the diagrams. You remember that segments. You have to write into the words. Beta, you will get 8 marks. Very easy. Maybe it is peritima. Maybe it is digestive system of cockroach. Sorry, peritima postuma. Okay. So now intestine. So 15th segment to last segment, they have a intestine, and in 26th segment they have a projections intestinal CK. What is called, beta? Intestinal CK. What they have? Intestinal CK. So before this, beta, actually from 15th onwards 120 segments means maybe 100 segments, 95 to 100 segments. What is present? Small intestine is present. Minimum 90 to 100 segments. What is present? Small intestine. Except last 24 or 26. Except last to 24 to 26. Means from 15th to 90 or 95 segments. 15th to total 120 na beta. Last 25 exemption means 15 to 95 segments. They have a small intestine. They have a small intestine which is having dorsal folds. That is called diplosa. What is called, beta? Diplosa. What is called? Diplosa. Okay. So 95 to 120 segments. The small intestine, the intestine which doesn't have diplosa. Okay. So this is the digestive system of peritima postuma. What is that, beta? Peritima postuma. Last, this alimentary canal open into exterior with small round aperture, which is called what is called? Anus. What is that, beta? Anus. Once again, mouth. Beta, digestive system is nothing but alimentary canal, alimentary duct from anterior to posterior, first segment to last segment. First one, mouth. After that, 1 to 3rd segment, buccal cavity. 4th segment, pharynx. 5th to 7th, oesophagus. 8 to 9, gizzard, grinding mill. 9 to 14, stomach. 15 to last segment, small intestine. Small intestine. In 26 segment of small intestine, from the intestine, one pair of CK is formed, intestinal CK. In 26 segments it will be start and extended to 823 segments. Okay, last 20 segments, 24 to 26 segments, all intestine parts, they have a diplosal. They have a diplosal. Before that is called pre-diplosolar part. Okay, so in the stomach, the walls of the stomach, they having a calciferous glands, which is digest, which is neutralize humanic acid of the humus of the moist, okay, of the soil. Okay, so this is the digestive system. What are the parts of, beta? Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, oesophagus, gizzard, stomach, intestine, pre-diplosolar part of the intestine, intestinal CK, post-diplosolar part of the intestine. Okay, last 120 segments, last part, it is opens outside small round aperture, that is called anus. That is called anus. Very important question, beta. Very important question. This is okay, ma. So once again, digestive system of parenchyma, posthuma or earthworm. It is very important. It is a straight tube. Okay, it starts with mouth and end with anus. First one is buccal cavity. Mouth is opens into buccal cavity. 1 to 3rd segments. Segments are very important, ma. The next one, pharynx. 4th segment, narrow tube, oesophagus. 5 to 7 segments. Gizzard, grinding mill. That decaying leaves are digested. 8 to 9 segments. 9 to 14, stomach. 15 to last segment, intestine. 26 segments, intestinal CK. Beta, another one, 14, 15, 16 segments. We have a clitorium also. I have already told that this is clitorium, which is from cocoon in the reproduction. Okay, that is digestive system. Very important. Very important. Now we should go for the next topic, reproductive system. What is that, beta? Reproductive system. So next, this reproductive system, you please observe that. So it is a bisexual. What is that, ma? Bisexual means male and female reproductive systems are present in single host, single animal, single organism. That is called bisexual or hermaphrodite. Okay, or monoecious. First one, you take the male reproductive systems. Beta, a pair of testes are present. What is present, beta? A pair of testes are present on one pair each present in 10 times segments. Okay, 10 times 11 segments. Beta, segments are very important. 10 segments. This one, 11 segment. This one. Okay, so one pair 10 segments, one pair 11 segments, which is present in the what they are? Testis sacs. What they are called, beta? Testis sacs. They are also present in 10th and 11th segments. They are also present in 10th and 11th segments. Okay, so once again we have to discuss first one, beta, parenchyma, posthuma, reproductive system of parenchyma, posthuma, reproductive system of parenchyma, posthuma. First one, beta, female reproductive system. 2 pairs of testes are present. How many pairs, beta? 2 pairs. Beta, this chart is enough. Total is there. Okay, 2 pairs of testes are present in 10th and 11th segments. 10th and 11th segment, like a grapes. Okay, ma, right? They are present in the testis sacs. Okay, these testis sacs, in the testis sacs, testes are present. They are opens in feeling. They are collecting these testes. Those are releasing sperms, spermatozoa. They are released into seminal spermidioid funnels. After that, seminal vesicles. Or they have, beta, seminal vesicles which are present. Beta, kidney-like structures are there, no, 2 pairs. They are called seminal vesicles. These black funnel-like structures, spermidioid funnels, 10 and 11 spermidioid funnels, seminal vesicles 11 and 12 kidney-like structures. Okay, total how many pairs of testes are there? 2 pairs of testes are present. In which segment, ma? 10 segments and 11 segment. Okay, from this male reproductive systems, 2 sides we have a 2 pairs of sperm ducts are there. They are called vasa differentia. What they are called, ma? Vasa differentia. Vasa differentia. They are starting with 10 and 11 segments. 11 and 12 segments extended up to 18th segment. In 18th segment, with the help of prostate gland duct, with the help combination of prostate gland duct, from the prostate gland they form common prostate spermatic duct. What it is called, beta? Common prostate spermatic duct, and opens into 18th segments through one pair of genital pores. They are called male genital pores. What they are called, beta? Male genital pores. Now, accessory glands are there, black color, ma. 17 segments one pair, 19 segment, one pair, two pairs of accessory glands are there. Okay, and this is male reproductive system. What is that, beta? Male reproductive system. Male reproductive system. Once again, male reproductive system. You please observe ma. Testes are present. What are present, beta? One pair of grape-like structures are there. They are called testes, which is present in 10th segments and 11th segments. Okay, ma? Which is present in the testis sacs. Testis sacs. Okay. So automatically testis sacs also two pairs. If testis are two pairs, automatically testis sacs also two pairs. And also in 10 and 11 segments they have spermatodual funnels, and 11 and 12 segments seminal vesicles are present. Seminal vesicles. From the male reproductive system, two pairs of ducts are arising. They are called vasa differentia from 11 to 12 up to 18 segments. From the prostate gland, whatever the duct is there, that combined with this vasa differentia and form common prostatic spermatic duct and opens in 18 segments with the help of one pair of male reproductive or male genital pores. Male genital pores. Okay, ma? And very important is there sacs, seminal vesicles. These seminal vesicles, what happened, beta? In seminal vesicles, what happened? In seminal vesicles, spermatozoa is converted to sperms. Okay, spermatogonia matured into spermatozoa. Spermatogonia is matured into spermatozoa. Means sperm mother cells are converted into sperms. Now, ovaries, male reproductive system. Ovaries are attached to the posterior end of the intersegmental septum in 12th and 13th segment. You please observe now. Yellow color. Okay, 12 by 13. 12 by 13 segments. This is segment. A pair of ovaries are there. They are releasing ova. They are connecting by 13 by 14 segments. What they having? Ovarian funnel. Same. Ovarian funnel is opens into 14th segments. Oviducts. One pair of oviducts. Which are present in the 14 segments. Ventral side. These two oviducts are clubbed together and opens into only one opening, which is present in the 14th segment. That is called female genital pore. What is called, beta? Female genital pore. Okay, and also beta 12 by 13 segment, a pair of ovaries are there. These ovaries, they are releasing ova. They are collected by 13 by 14 segments. We have one pair of ovarian funnels, and ovarian funnels are opens into oviducts, which is present in the 14th segment. Okay, these two oviducts are clubbed together and opens commonly outside in ventral side in 14th segment. That is called female genital pore. And very important, beta, whenever it is participating in the copulation, what happened? They receives, after the copulation, it receives sperms from another earthworm stored in spermathecae, which is present, beta, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually diagram is like this one. So this is spermathecae. This structure is called ampulla. This is called diverticulum. Okay, diverticulum. Blind is called diverticulum and another one is ampulla. Okay, so that is the reproductive system. What is that, ma? Reproductive system of periotima postuma. Very important. Beta, 6, 7, 8, 9 segments. We have a spermathecae. Actually, spermathecal openings are present, beta. 5 by 6, 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 9. What they have beta? Spermatical openings are present. They collect sperms from other earthworm after the copulation. Okay. Once again, male reproductive system beta. Male reproductive system. How many pairs of male reproductive systems? How many testes are present beta? 2 pairs are present. How many pairs beta? 2 pairs are present. 2 pairs are present in which segment? 10 and 11. Which segment beta? 10 and 11 segment. So 10 segments 1 pair and 11 segment 1 pair. So total how many pairs? 2 pairs are present in testis sacs. In testis sacs. And also here in 10 and 11 segments 2 pairs of spermadual funnels are there, and 11 and 12 segments seminal vesicles are there. Okay. In spermatogonia is converted into sperms. From this male reproductive system, they have a 2 pairs of vasa differentia. They are extended from 11 to 12 segments up to 18. In 18 segments, these tubes are mixed with combined with prostate gland duct and opens in 18th segment common prostate spermatic duct. Common prostate spermatic duct and opens into outside through 2 apertures in 18 segments, that is called main genital aperture. Main genital aperture in 18 segments. Which segment one? 18 segment. Okay. Now, so female reproductive system. Ovaries are present. 12 by 13 segment what they have beta? Ovaries are present. They are releasing ova. They are connected by 13 by 14 segments, 1 pair of ovarian funnels. These ovarian funnels are having oviducts. 1 pair of oviducts are there. They are commonly opening to female genital aperture, which is present in 18 segment. Which is present in 18 segment. Sorry, 14 segment. 14 segment. So, once again, spermathecae. 6, 7, 8, 9 segments. Where it is present, spermathecae? 6 segments are very important. Whenever you are drawing the diagram, segments, you observe only segments better. That's why I am saying 6, 7, 8, 9. Spermathecae is present. 10 and 11. Testes are present. 10 and 11. Testis sacs are present. Spermadual funnels. Spermadual funnels. 10 and 11. Seminal vesicles, kidney shape, bean shape, 11 and 12. Okay. Ovaries, 12, 13. Ovarian funnel, 13 by 14. Oviducts, 14. Female genital aperture, 14. Vasa differentia from 11 to 12 to 18th segments. Accessory glands, 79, 90. How many 2 pairs of accessory glands are there? The ducts opens outside through the accessory glands apertures. Next, prostate gland duct and vasa differentia commonly open outside the 18th segment. That is called common prostatic spermatic duct, which is opens outside in the 18 segments through 1 pair of male genital pores. Male genital pores. Okay, and prostate gland is present from 17 to 19 segments. This is reproductive system. Okay, ma? Reproductive system. It is 8 marks question. 8 marks question. This is 8 marks question. Generally, you have to draw the diagram. You have to write at least 6 marks diagrams matter 2 marks. 4 marks diagram 4 marks matter. Very important beta. You must be practice these 2 questions. Digestive system of parenchyma and as well as reproductive system of parenchyma postuma. Very important ma. Very important. Immediately you have to draw the diagrams with label and also segments also. You must be right segments ma. Segments very important. Which segments they are present? I have already told that. Mouth, buccal cavity 1 to 3, pharynx 4, oesophagus 5 to 7, gizzard 8 9, stomach 9 to 14, clitoris 14, 15, 16. Intestine 15 to last. Pre-diplosolar part of the intestine. There is no need. 26 segments. Intestine CK is present. Like peritoneum postuma. What is that ma? Peritoneum postuma. You please observe that sperma TK 6, 7, 8, 9 segments. Okay, one is ampulla, one part is diverticulum. This hole is called spermatical opening, and testis one pair 10 and 11. Testis sacs 10 and 11. Sperma ducal funnels 10 and 11. Seminal vesicles 11 and 12. Ovary 12, 13. Ovarian funnel 12 by 13. Oviducts 14. One pair. They are commonly open outside with the female genital aperture, which is present 14 segments. From the male reproductive systems, two pairs of vasa differentia is there. In 18 segments, they club with prostate gland duct and form common prostate spermatic duct, which is opens in 18 segments through male genital aperture. One pair of male genital apertures pores in 18 segments. This segment 18 segments. Prostate gland is present in 17 to 19. Accessory glands, two pairs are present, which is present in the 79, 19 segments. 79, 19 segments. These two are very, very important. Long questions ma, you must be by heart it. Thank you very much.